Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a paper glider. First, take a standard 5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. Fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a center crease. Next, fold the top two corners inward so their edges meet perfectly along that center line. This initial step forms the nose of your glider, ensuring a symmetrical and stable foundation for flight. Make sure your folds are crisp for the best results. Now, take the newly formed top point and fold it down so its tip aligns with the bottom edge of your paper. This creates a smaller triangle. Then, fold the top corners inward once more, aligning their edges with the center crease. These folds are crucial for shaping the glider's aerodynamic profile. Press firmly on each fold to achieve sharp creases, which will significantly impact your glider's flight performance. With the previous folds complete, fold the entire glider in half along the original center crease, ensuring the folded edges are on the outside. Next, fold down each wing, aligning their top edges with the bottom edge of the glider's body. This forms the main wings. Finally, make small, upward folds at the very tips of the wings. These small stabilizers help control the glider's flight path and improve its lift. Now it's time to test your creation. Hold the glider gently and launch it with a slight upward angle. Observe its flight path and make small adjustments to the wing folds if needed. A slight upward bend on the wingtips can improve lift, while adjusting the main wing angle can affect glide distance. Experiment to find the perfect balance for optimal flight. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.